Hi everybody, I'm Jason. I'm your maintenance man here at the Palazzo at a Venterra property, and I need to show you some tips on how to get your dishwasher to work at its optimum level. One of the things you can do by yourself is to be sure that this soap dish here, where you put your soap, it opens like that during a cycle, can open freely once the door is closed. If there's an object in the way of the door, like say this knife here, or a tall dish, or a cookie sheet, it won't be able to open, and the soap won't enter the cabin to clean your dishes. So let's move this over here. Now you'll be able to, that will open freely. The second thing is there's a filter in here for the water that's easy to get to, and you can clean it. It's located right at the bottom here. Just turn this out of the way and grab it and turn it like a doorknob, and it pulls right out. This is a fine mesh filter. It can get clogged with soap or food particles. Over time it will, and it'll need to be cleaned out. So what you do is you bring it over to the sink, get some water running, and rinse this thing out. You gotta scrub it from the inside, scrub it from the outside. Get it all clean. There you go, nice and clean. Then we'll put it back, and this will definitely help your dishwasher run a lot better. To reinstall it, just put it back where it was. It'll drop down, give it a little twist, locks in place, and that's your filter. The third thing is the dishwasher needs hot water to clean your dishes correctly. So to get hot water to it immediately when you turn it on, a good tip is turn your faucet at your kitchen sink on hot and run it until the water gets really hot here at the sink. That way, when you turn on your dishwasher, the first water that enters the cabin is hot water. That'll help get your dishes cleaner. Thanks, guys.